Hello, this is another Lunch and Learn. Remember, I bulk videotape. So every week you'll see me come up here once a day, but I'm in the same outfit because I have to film in a batch. That's a time-saving tip, by the way. So today's Lunch and Learn is to collaborate with local artists. Why would you want to do that? I've had students ask me that. And so there are many different reasons, but for this Lunch and Learn, which is less than 10 minutes long, the big reason is to get your name out there in the community. So know where your customers are, know where they shop, identify local artists whose work aligns with your brand. You want to make sure they're not a competitor. And think about different ways that their skills and styles will complement your products and services. This may be as simple as going on Facebook or Google, looking up local events to your area, and then you just go and attend. Take your business card with you and make sure that you get a card in exchange for a card. So that way you don't walk away with their contact, but they have no way to contact you. You want to make sure that there is this even collaboration option between the two of you. You can even have pictures on your phone or in your hand. If you are going to an event, knowing that you're there to mix and mingle and find a way to collaborate, have something to show them so you can introduce yourself. Because if they're already there working their stand or their table, they're busy. They're not going to walk away trying to remember who you are. Remember, you're the one there reaching out to them. So the responsibility kind of falls on your shoulders as to whether or not you build that relationship beyond the event. So make sure that you reintroduce yourself later. Think about the local artist. If you have one in mind, think about them for a minute. Now, one local artist that I am familiar with would not really be somebody I would collaborate with. But the longer I started to think about this, the more light bulb moment I had. I'm like, well, you know, their items aren't really technically something my customers would like. However, they are an artist and they are a human being and they do travel. So therefore, I will collaborate with them to find out where they're going next. And then I can do my due diligence online and look up who else is attending those events so I can start to mix and mingle with them. So sometimes, you know, it's easy to get into the mindset that it's not going to go anywhere, like that relationship's not going to go anywhere. So if that starts to happen to you, just kind of take a step back, think about your customer, think about the people you know and how you can find some commonality between the two. Even if they don't buy from you, there's still something that you can learn from them. And really, collaboration is learning. Yes, you want to make a sale, obviously, but sometimes you have to take a minute, learn first, and then the sales come later. So write down, get your list together, keep an idea of who you can collaborate with. Don't skip out on local communities. In my previous classes, students were so used to just doing everything online that in-person meetings seemed so old school to them. That's the wrong mindset to have. Yes, online matters. Of course it matters. But so does offline. Local communities, they do matter. You need to remember to get from behind your computer screen or your sewing machine and learn who's in your community and build those relationships. So as always, you can go to stephaniegrams.com, get on the newsletter, follow along for more tips, and I will talk to you later.